welcome to my channel, Eye Candie. If you're new here, my name's Teresa, and I love to talk about lifestyles of luxury and fashion on my channel. So today, we're going to talk about my Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires and exactly what fits inside this beautiful piece of eye candy. It is a staple in my closet. I absolutely love it. And if you're thinking about getting one of these too, you should definitely consider it. It is the smallest handbag I have in my collection, and I keep it in my rotation. If I'm not carrying this as a bag, I carry it as an SLG inside a bigger bag, a tote, or even my Speedy. So when it comes to consolidating, this absolutely helps me do that. So I can go small, I can go big, and I can keep everything I need all in one spot. So I really think you'll love it. So I'll be showing you today exactly what I fit inside. We'll be playing a little Tetris in order to see exactly how best things fit inside this doozy. So I'm going to try a little something different today. I'm actually going to turn my camera and show you guys as I put each item in the bag. So I'll talk to you guys there. All right, you guys, I got us all set up here. This is the Pochette Accessoires. I will be showing you as I put each item inside. Now, I like to keep my items stuffed all the time so that the air paper that I took out there, but there's nothing inside. And as I put things in, I'll try to show you best I can as we see what fits. So this is my mini Pochette accessoires, and if you've seen my video about my Louis Vuitton SLG collection, you should really check it out. I talk about this and many more SLGs. I absolutely love my Louis Vuitton collection and SLGs, and it has some very helpful information as to their uses in that video. I will link it down below so you can check that out. I also like to carry my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder and print leather. So I usually try to line them up side by side there. And my Fendi Zucca print card holder. That's actually a men's card holder. I absolutely love it. It carries so many more cards than a normal card holder. It's about 7 slots, I believe. But you can also double up if you want, so really expands the possibilities there when it comes to the number of cards that you can carry. So I absolutely love my card holder. And this is the Louis Vuitton and Monogram key clay. I love it. I carry it as well with me. So I typically keep my phone on me at all times because I'm usually using it. So that zips up so perfectly with just those items inside. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but remember, my mini Pochette is in here, and I carry all my essentials in there, mostly when it comes to lippies and lip balms and hand lotion and hand sanitizer, what have you. So it's a catch-all for me, and it keeps things from rolling around and loose in my bag. So all of those key essentials that I carry in there without an issue, and the zipper still closes smoothly. So if I want to put my cell phone in there, I can. It has this ring on the back, so it makes things a little bit more bulky, but I can still just slide that inside the bag there, and it still zips if I can keep my cup. And it makes things a little bit more bulky. So let's try it that way. And see, it makes it that little key ring, the holder there, a little harder to get through, but it zips. Some lumps and bumps there, but it's not overstuffed still. It's a little lumpy here. As you can see, this is a lot smoother on this side. It's really just the items that are on each side. Maybe you'll see that a little better. You see the crinkling, but in the zipper, it's not that smooth or flat. So it's not overstuffed. So you can see, still got some room there. But I also carry sometimes with me, I carry my roller ball, which is my Gucci Bloom here. I absolutely love it. it fits inside as well, and still zips pretty well also. Lumps and bumps. So nothing too extreme here. It carries a lot. It really packs a punch when you talk about essential items. So I'll give you another look there. You see it still have some space here for maybe some lippies or some more smaller things you can put in there. Maybe some ear pods or what have you as well will fit in there. No sunglasses, I'm pretty certain of that. So if I wanted to consolidate more, I could easily take out, which I wouldn't, but my mini pochette and remove some of those items inside and stick them in, and it would zip up without any problems, and I just still have so much more room there if I take that out. But again, that carries my essentials. That's with everything inside, and there's still some room. It's not overstuffed. So absolutely love this baby, and I would recommend it to anyone wanting to add this to their collection. I'll see you guys back on screen in just a second. All right, you guys, that does it as to what fits in my Pochette Accessoires in the monogram print from Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love this bag. You know, I thought maybe you guys would like to see exactly how I carry this bag. So if you'd like to see that, please comment down below. And if you like the content today, please give me a like, right? Gives me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my content and you like my content today, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so the next time I post a video, which is every Saturday, you'll be notified. I'm also on Instagram, Eye Candie there as well, and that's Eye Candie with a I-E instead of an Y. So you guys, that's a wrap. So until next time, bye.